Tudi imamo svoj vesoljski program.
Yes, your beautiful rocket is located in the southeast west north corner of Ljubljana Airport.
Torej, naše rakete so locirane, kot vi veste, na severo-južni, vzhodno-zahodnem delu ljubljanskega letališča.
And we have a model of it with us here.
In tudi tukaj imamo model rakete.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to launch Slovenia's first space rocket.
Torej, dame in gospodje, sedaj bomo izstrelili prvo slovensko raketo.
But since me and Heko, we are not from here, we are not native, we can't possibly launch Slovenia's first space rocket. So we need somebody from here.
Torej, ker ona dva nista Slovenca, potrebujemo prostovoljca.
Who's local?
Kdo je domačin?
Hello, welcome on stage.
Dobrodošla.
Okay, now, Heko is going to do the countdown.
Torej, Heko bo sedaj odšteval.
And when he says 0,
ko bo rekel nič,
you are going to step in the middle as hard as you can.
Boš močno stopila na sredino plastenke. Ok, a se malo odmaknite tam nazaj, prosim. Močno stop, ko bo on rekel 0, oziroma nič.
You in outer space, look out.
Ja, vi v vesolju, pazite.
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.